we are at the back of the house, and now work my way forward, and that will show you all the work that we did in post, and also the cracks that I saw in the stem wall. So here's some of the cracks in the concrete. That I saw, which make you cripple your stem wall. Eventually is going to become unstable. If I go to the other side, you can see the crack is also on the other side. Let me work my way toward the front again. You can see here we are with more cracks in the foundation. You can see the crack goes all the way down. And now just like before, when I work my way to the other side, there's more girders and posts that I added. And you can see, just like before, the crack is also on the other side of the concrete wall that goes all the way down. Still working my way towards the front of the house. So just bear with me. Pretty tight under here. If you look right over there, you can see that we have more cracks right there in the stem wall again. And right there, let me zoom in and get a better view. For another shot of the girders and posts that we added in this section. Okay, let me work my way forward. see, more girders and posts that was added in the next section to help with the support system. Once again, and if you look on the concrete again, you can see that we have more failing concrete that's falling apart. Yeah, you can tell. Well, failing concrete falling apart. If you look on the other side of the thing again, you can see more cracks. Let me work my way towards the front once again. So if you see on the other side again, we have more cracks. More cracks. So if I stick my hand right here, you can see, stick my hand right here, make it unsafe. This just came off, and you can pretty much do that to any of all the cracks that I just shown you. So you can see this house is literally falling apart, which is why I recommended adding these girder system, to help with that support, because when these fail, the house will literally have no support in the middle and will cave in. All right, let's work my way towards the front again. I can show you guys some more stuff. Okay, so let's see that. Now let's make our way to the left side. Let's make our way to the left side. And you can see the same issue that we have. We have more cracks in the foundation. Interior stem wall. Okay, still working my way toward the front of the house, and you can see the concrete that I've broken off from the other side. The other side, you can see, is the exact same thing. More cracks, all the way through. If I go to the left side, right side, we still have more cracks. You can also see that all the cripple wall, all the new posts and piers that we added to help with that support system. Once again, on both sides. All right, so we continue to make my way toward the front of the house. As you can see, we still have more cracks in the stem wall. On the left side, more cracks on the right side. All right, let me make my way toward the front. Almost there. pretty much see the same thing from the front all the way to the back. The same problem. Same problem. So we added more girders and posts to help with the support. So then we go to the right side. Same thing. Same thing. I can stick my hand in here and literally, as you can see, that is falling apart. Which is why we added, once again, the post and pier to help with the weight distribution. All right, so now let me make my way all the way to the front of the house, where there were nerve support in the middle. So I added 2 girder systems. So the middle of this little section right here would have support, and the weight would be evenly distributed. The weight would be evenly distributed. And that is pretty much it. That is all we have. Can I give you? And that is it. We're at access.